The Economics Network is well known for its high quality and hands-on training for both lecturers and teaching assistants all over the UK. My name is Christian Spielmann. I'm from the University of Bristol, and I'm joined by Ralph Becker from Manchester University today. Hi, Ralph.
Hi, Christian.
So Ralph and I are the training leads at the Economics Network, and in this video, we would like to introduce you to training opportunities from the network for you for 2020-21.
Normally, every year, we are running workshops specifically for new lecturers. This year, we are all on a steep learning curve, and therefore the Economics Network will open some of its short workshops to the entire economics community. These workshops are on inclusive teaching, engaging large student groups, facilitating effective teamwork, as well as using games and experiments. There will be one additional workshop on an issue which the new situation has surfaced, and that is the challenge to create a community of learners together with our students. Our workshops on these issues all contain an asynchronous part in which information is presented to participants and you can peruse at your own time. And then a live part in which experts in the relevant area share their thoughts and experiences and offer you opportunities to query and challenge them. So Christian, how do you sign up if you want to participate in these workshops?
Yeah, so all you need to do is to sign up through our Economics Network webpage, and you should see the link on the screen just now. You can choose the particular workshop you would like to attend then. And if your institution is a subscriber of the Economics Network, then the workshop will be free for you. So we hope to see many of you there.
Yes, see you there.
Bye.